Isn't today the 16th? Let me check. Yes, today is the 16th. Tomorrow is 65 years of school desegregation. Tomorrow is 65 years of school desegregation. And after 65 years of school desegregation, black children are doing worse today than we were doing in 1954. Black children are doing worse today than we were doing in 1954. Let me explain something. I have a list of black inventions. I have a list of black inventions. Listen to this. Air conditioning unit, 1949. The almanac, 1791. The automatic cutoff switch, 1839. The automatic fishing device, 1899. The automatic gear shift, 1932. The baby buggy, 1899. The bicycle frame, we invented, October the 10th. The biscuit cutter, November the 30th, 1875. Blood plasma bag, Charles Drew, 1945. The cell phone, 1971. That was invented by Henry Sampson, the cell phone. The chamber commode, 1897. The clothes dryer, 1862. The curtain rod, 1889. The doorknob, 1878. The doorstop, 1878. The dustpan, 1897. The egg beater, 1884. The elevator, 1867. The electric lamp, 1882. The eye protector, 1880. The fire escape, 1878. That's right. Give it up for our ancestors. Widow's fist at, widow's heart at. Give it up for our ancestors. Give it up for our ancestors who invented all of this. The folding bed, 1899. The folding chair, 1889. The fountain pen, 1890. The furniture caster, 1878. The gas mask, 1914. The golf tee, 1899. The guitar, 1886. Can I ask y'all a question? I just gave you 20 to 30 significant inventions. Significant black invention. The only one after 1954 was the cell phone. The only one after school desegregation was the cell phone. Here is my question, Black America. Here is my question. If we invented all of that before school desegregation, and we haven't invented nearly half of that since school desegregation, what did we gain from school desegregation? Our children have gotten dumber. That's right. Our children have gotten dumber. And that's a scientific fact. That's a scientific fact. As the black child increases in school grade in America, their average IQ goes down. From kindergarten through 12th grade graduation, as the black child increases, as they go up in grade, the black child goes down in intelligence scores. Explain that to me. If you are learning more, why is your IQ going less? If you are learning more, why is your IQ going less? We did better when we were segregated. We invented more when we were segregated. In the dilapidated, underfunded black schoolhouse, black children excelled better than they do now. And why? Why did we do better in segregated schools than we do now in integrated schools? Why did we do better in segregated schools than we do now in integrated schools? You know why? Because black education prior to school desegregation, black education prior to school desegregation taught the black child how to maximize their intellectual capability and capacity. The black schools taught black kids how to think. Stay with me. The black schools taught the black child how to tap into the intelligence. The black schools taught the black child how to bring forth their God-given inner potential. That's why we invented all of this. Let me keep on going. Guitar, 1886. Some of y'all don't even know that the guitar was invented by a black man. Some of y'all don't even know that the guitar was invented by a black man. Some of y'all don't even know that the guitar was invented by a black man. Hairbrush, 1800s. Hand stamp, 1883. Horseshoe, 1885. Ice cream scooper. Ice cream scooper, 1897. Improved the sugar making process, 1846. Insect destroyer gun. Did y'all know we invented the gun to destroy insects? 1899. The ironing board, 1887. The keychain, the keychain, the keychain, 1894. The lantern, 1884. The lawnmower, 1899. We invented the lawnmower. I can't wait to have a grand opening at FDMG so we can do some more of this. Because black children have so much more to give the world than basketball. Black children have so much more to give the world than football. Black children got so much more to give the world than rap music. Black children got so much more to give the world than fake hair. Black children got so much more to give the world than sports and entertainment. We need some more of this. It's called black excellence. Let's keep on going. Lunch pail, 1887. Lubricating cup, 1895. The lock, the 1800s. The lawn sprinkler, 1897. We invented all this before desegregation. Why did we need to desegregate the schools? Why did we need that?